In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to speed up a video in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Whether you're creating YouTube content, social media reels, tutorials, or presentations, adjusting your video speed can help you create time lapses, remove slow sections, or make your content more engaging. The best part is that Clipchamp makes this process incredibly simple, and you don't need any advanced editing experience to do it. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any helpful tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to the video project you want to edit. From your dashboard, select the project of your choice and open it in the editor. Once your project loads, you'll see your timeline at the bottom of the screen and the preview window in the center. On the timeline, click on the video clip that you want to speed up. Make sure the clip is highlighted because the editing options will only appear when a clip is selected. After selecting your clip, look over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where Clipchamp shows all the editing properties for the selected media. In that right sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Speed. As soon as you click on Speed, you'll see a speed control slider appear. This slider allows you to increase or decrease the playback speed of your video. To speed up your video, simply drag the slider to the right. As you move the slider, you'll notice the speed multiplier changing. For example, setting it to 2x will make your video play twice as fast, while higher values will make it even faster. As you adjust the speed, pay attention to the timeline. You'll notice that when you increase the speed, the length of the clip becomes shorter. That's because the content is now playing faster, which reduces its total duration. This is especially useful if you're trying to shorten long recordings, remove pauses, or create a fast-forward effect. After adjusting the slider to your desired speed, preview the video using the play button in the preview window. Watch through the sped up section to make sure it looks natural and doesn't feel too rushed. If it feels too fast or too slow, simply adjust the slider again until you're happy with the result. One helpful tip is to avoid speeding up dialogue-heavy clips too much because voices can start to sound unnatural. For action shots, screen recordings, or background footage, higher speeds usually work perfectly. If your video includes audio and you notice the pitch sounds unusual, consider whether you want to keep the original audio or detach and replace it with music instead. Once you're satisfied with the speed adjustment, your changes are automatically saved within the project. You can continue editing other parts of your video, apply transitions, add text, or make additional enhancements as needed. When everything looks good, click the Export button in the top right corner, choose your preferred resolution, and let Clipchamp process your updated video. And that's it. That's how you speed up a video in Clipchamp using the built-in speed controls. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to completely change the pacing and energy of your content. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.